So we are approaching mental disorder or mental diseases or spectrum or chronic disorder from quite a peculiar perspective. We're taking a transdisciplinary approach. Transdisciplinary is basically when mutually exclusive disciplines converges, right, to formulate a new conceptual idea, right? Multidisciplinary is when mutually exclusive disciplines converge. Cross-disciplinary studies is when you take an explanatory position of one discipline within the context of another. So we are approaching mental disorder from a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, and a transdisciplinary, and also an interdisciplinary perspective, which interdisciplinary falls within the category of where mutually exclusive disciplines sort of permeate each other to formulate new ideas or groundbreaking